Now, Bob is going to demonstrate the method of titration. So he's going to titrate one of our 3 replicate solutions with the 0.05 molar standard solution of hydrochloric acid until he observes a colour change from blue to yellow. And this is commonly referred to as an endpoint.
So what we do here is now some people like to either use their left hand to control the stopcock while they use their right hand to rotate. You can do that, just like this. So you're actually just using your left hand. You just allow some solution to come out from the burette in order to get that colour change. You can actually start to see in the middle, let's just stop that for a minute. If you can actually see where the hydrochloric acid is reacting with the calcium hydroxide, you initially got a yellow in the middle, and if you continue swirling, they'll turn to blue. So we haven't actually reached our endpoint just yet. So what we do is, what I might do is actually use my right hand to control the stopcock, and my left hand, to swirl the solution, just to make it easier to see this camera. In practice, you would actually use your left hand to control the stopcock if you're right-handed, and you'd use your right hand to actually swirl the solution. So let's do that. So we just do that, we add a bit, give it a swirl. Now, generally speaking, the reason we do everything in triplets is not only to get at the average, but also to get a rough idea of when you actually get the blue colour change. In this case, we've gone past that point. So we've already gone past the end point, and the reason for that is there was too much solution coming out all at once. But just to give us a rough estimate, at about the 9 mil mark, okay, you would have a colour change. So what I might do is, now I'm going to repeat this for solution number 2, for erlenmeyer flask number 2, and I might start off at the 9 and actually go to about, say, 17. I can dispense that quickly, and then from 17 to 18, I'll actually do it drip by drip to get a more accurate volume of how much is actually required to actually get that colour change or reach the end point. So let's start. So now we're at 9.4 mils. Put our erlenmeyer flask below it. So we want to go to about 17.4. So 17.4, still getting that blue colour. So we haven't actually reached, 17.4, we're still at 17. So now we're at 17.3, still blue. So here I'm doing just drip by drip. Still got that blue tinge. Still got that blue tinge. We're getting close now. Now we've got blue tinge. Now that's a reason why we have a white tile, so we can actually see that there's still a slight blue tinge there. It's not quite yellow yet. So here at this point we go drip by drip. And even though there's still a slight blue tinge, I reckon one more drop should do it. There you go. No, one more again. Yeah, just one more. There you go. So now our final volume of what we've actually added is 17.6. So we started off with 9.4 and we've gone to 17.6. And you need to record this in your results section.